would like to introduce our very latest developed sunflower header, which is equipped with a cylindrical stalk chopper. In fact, the development of this started from the fundamental basic idea of making it as simple, as affordable, and as reliable as possible. With this innovative design, we truly aim to meet the essential needs of diligent farmers. As you know, the substantial sunflower stalks left after harvesting cause a significant amount of damage, and we genuinely wanted to solve their efficient shredding with a remarkably simple mechanism. As you can see, its construction is very simple. It is divided for every 2 rows with a separate bladed roller installed for each. This is also highly advantageous because it can be very easily expanded for larger adapters, so it can be built from just 2 up to a maximum of 12 rows. There are no separate drive elements, gearboxes, or anything like that. In fact, the soil itself drives the individual stalk chopper units. As you can see, it is divided into sections. This is advantageous because it allows the machine to better follow the unevenness of the ground. In addition to the robust built-in rubber springs, there are also highly efficient hydraulic accumulators installed, which likewise effectively absorb the significant pressure differences caused by unevenness in the ground. As you can clearly see, the powerful rotors are equipped with exceptionally wear-resistant blades that are meticulously coated with a durable hard metal powder. This critically ensures a remarkably long and reliable service life for the entire machine. Another really major advantage of this system is that it can be quite easily retrofitted onto an existing NAS sunflower harvesting header. These will already be available from next year. This year they could only be purchased as a complete unit. However, I believe that from next season it will be possible to buy the lower part separately, and next season we will also be developing the foldable versions. Currently, it is only available in a fixed version, but in the future there will also be a foldable version. The biggest and most significant advantage of this particular type of mulcher is that since it is much simpler in its design, it is also considerably more cost-effective, meaning it is much cheaper than our existing mulches so far. Of course, both harvesting and mulching can be efficiently done in a single seamless pass, which ultimately saves us both valuable time and precious money.